All right, boys and girls, we are going to solve this problem right here. Jada picked 83 blueberries from her family's garden. Using as many blueberries as she can, Jada puts the same number of blueberries into 11 bowls of cereal. How many blueberries are left over? Well, let's go back and find some important information. We know that Jada picked 83 blueberries. We also know she's using as many blueberries as she can, and she puts the same amount of the blueberries into 11 bowls. So we need to divide, oh, here, hold on a second. There we go, grab my whiteboard. We need to take 83 and we need to divide it by 11. Now, the question says how many blueberries are left over. They're not asking us how many blueberries were in each bowl, but in order to find out how many are left, we have to know how many were in each bowl, right? And whatever's left is the amount that we have left over. So let's start out by completing this division problem. Let's see, how many times can we put 11 into 8? It's not possible, correct? So let's move on and say, how many times can we put 11 into 83? Well, I know my 11 facts, right? I know my 11 facts. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 8 is 88, and I can stop right there because 83 is less than 88. I can't go over 83. So look here, 77. 11 times 7 is 77. So I'm going to multiply, and I'm going to find the difference between the 83 and the 77. So let's do some subtraction. I need to do a little regrouping. 13, make this a 7. All right, so 13, take away 7 is 6. And 7 minus 7 is 0. So I'm going to leave it like that. I don't have anything else to bring down. So my answer is 7 remainder 6. Or I could write that as a mixed number. It would be 7 and 6/11, just to show you that. Okay, now let's go back and answer the question. How many blueberries are left over? Well, if they used 77 blueberries in those 11 bowls, then there are 6 left over. So we need to write that down, 6 left. And that's how you solve the problem.